Hello and welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got an exciting race between Sammy Moondust driving the Agent Orange versus King Raccoon, the Trashpanda. But first, let's take a look at the track. Drivers will start at the top of the Suicide, which is a 45-degree angle downhill, into a 2-lane straight, and into the first turn here around our Gaslands TV camera, capturing the moment. And through gate number 1, every gate is going to be a point for the driver. There are 4 gates in total on the track, including the finish line. Then they're going to come here around turn number 2, where we got some spectators and a little bit of an oil spill there. And into gate number 2, where our helicopter crash last year destroyed the road a little bit. But we're going to continue racing on it, because the show must go on. And they're gonna, if they survive that, they're gonna go through a straightaway into turn number 3 around the BFG and our Amber Prime monster truck with some flamethrowers there. If they survive that, they'll go through gate number 3 in this steep downhill, giving them the speed they need to do turn number 4 around the missile launchers. Hopefully they survive that. And into a third downhill 2-lane straight into the finish line. And at the end, obviously we finished with a little jump here, and our Gaslands TV crew is here to capture the moment and the excitement of the end race. Now if they survive through that entire ordeal and not smash into any of these trucks that have drills and stuff, and if they end up into this pipe dream here, they win a ticket to Mars. They can do whatever they want with that ticket. Use it, get off the planet, or give it to a fan, or friend, family member, anything they want. I'm going to take the truck down here and get ready in my bunker in safety, away from all the explosions and gunfights. Let's take a look at the drivers. Today we have Sammy Moondust driving Agent Orange. She likes cherry Pepsis and classic rock. Dislikes being out of snacks. Sponsored by House Steiner Customs. Go check it out on Instagram. Lots of cool customizations there. Versus King Raccoon from USA, Trashpanda. Likes stealing trash cans and board games, and dislikes old ladies with brooms. Sponsored by The Spot. All things geek. Go check them out. Alright, our racers are at the bottom of the Suicide, getting ready to go into the elevator. Going to bring them up and get ready for the first race. Who is it going to be, guys? Trashpanda or Sammy? They're off. Trashpanda is in front. Sammy in the back bumps him over. Oh, off the cliff. Is Sammy still going? She is backwards. Flips. Oh, she almost didn't make it to the finish line. But I think her front bumper is there. She basically gets the win and the 4th gate point for finishing so close to that finish line. And here you see her pushing Trashpanda off the construction site into the abyss. But they're okay, and we're gonna go do race number 2, and they're off. Sammy takes the lead this time. Trashpanda's bumping into her, and I think he stopped. Sammy's still going, and oh, she almost got a ticket to Mars at the top level of our dream pipes there. Look how close. She's just flipping around in there and then just comes out so close. That's like a 0.9 of a ticket. Let's do another race here. Sammy in front again. Oh, Trashpanda's getting desperate and shooting. Did not affect her too much. She finishes the race, but where is Trashpanda? He stopped after the construction site a little bit. And we're gonna go for another race here. Let's see what happens. Ooh, side by side, but Panda takes the lead. Oh, Sammy did a couple of flips off the construction site, and oh, did he make it? Is Trashpanda at the end? I think the front bumper is past the finish line here. So he is going to get a win and a gate point for that. Not sure what happened to Agent Orange. Let's go see where she... oh, there she ended up in front of... And the sheriff is firing at her. That's going to cause a little bit of damage, but they're still okay to race. And they're off. Sammy in the front, off the construction site. Turns around, fires at Trashpanda. Did she make it to the finish line? She does, and she gets a ticket to Mars. on the upper level this time. She missed it last time. She said, no way this time. I'm going in for the upper level ticket to Mars. That is a VIP golden ticket. And Trashpanda is getting the flamethrower from Ember Prime here. Oof. That's a lot of damage, but I think they're okay to do one time trial each. Trashpanda is still recovering from some burns, so Sammy's gonna go first. Let's see how fast she can make it down the track without any distractions. That is some crazy speed, little spin at the end, and another ticket to Mars. This is insane. She's getting the top one, the bottom one. She's just all over those pipes. She got a pretty good time too. Next up is Trashpanda. Let's see if he could probably get a ticket or beat his time from the last time trial. He's going straight, not doing any spins, keeping it safe. Finishes, ooh, hits that drill and explodes, giving him a time of 6.4. Let's take a look at some stats for the end of the day. Coming in at 79 grams, best time was 5:53, 22 gate points, 4 wins, and 2 tickets to Mars. What a great day for Sammy. Next up, let's take a look at King Raccoon here, 44 grams, best time of 6.46, 15 gate points, won one of the races, and got no tickets to Mars. Guys, all the racers are sent in by our Gaslands TV racing fans. And if you want to send in your cars for the 2022 season, let us know in the comments or join us at the Facebook, Gaslands TV, or Instagram. And if you do play Gaslands and you're looking for some dice or some accessories, maybe some templates, some Gaslands gates, maybe some engines with skulls on them, pipes, if you're looking for guns and rams, things to modify your cars, we have them on our Etsy page, and they come in a really cool container that you could use to transport your car in. You'll be supporting the channel, and you'll also be supporting the 3D artists who create these. So it's a win-win. Go check us out on Facebook for our monthly giveaway as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps the channel. You know how it works, those analytical things that Google uses. Yeah, so a like really helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.